Hi, how are you? Let's go, let's go. You guys open all summer, or what were the dates?
We're open every weekend from 11 to 7, and then Tuesday nights for the street fair from 4 to 8.
Okay, so it's all summer long?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. See you guys later.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Yeah. Oh, 15 minutes? Dude, that guy's got to put a muffler on that. Miticize that thing. What did you ask? What up, buddy? Good to see you. How you doing, bud?
Again.
Welcome in, everybody. No England? No, I'm not going for England. No. Why should I go for England? I'm going for Mexico, man. There are brothers to the south. Some help. Nice bike. All right. We're in Huntington Beach, California, here on Pacific Coast Highway and Main Street, of course. Good cruising day. It's about 74 degrees out here. Nice and warm weather. Here's our whole crowd today. Nice and busy. Good crowd out here today. How you guys doing? How you doing?
Good.
Hello. Man, it is busy out here, guys. Honey Badger, what's up, Honey Badger? How are you, buddy? What's going on, Neil? Welcome in. We're gonna have some wind out here again today, guys, so once we get out here, it's gonna be a little windy on the pier. Just forewarning you guys. It's popping HB. Yes, it's always popping. What's going on, guys? Texas in here. Hey, Dino. Hello, how are you?
That's cool.
Tooth Fairy's in here. What's up, Tooth Fairy? How are you? All right, we got some pet snake here.
Get in there, just let him go around you. There you go. There, now. With your hand, hold the tail. Hold the tail. There you go. There it is.
Good job. Saintly Spot, what's going on? Tooth Fairy, what's going on? Welcome in, everybody. Let me find some shade. Saintly Spot, thank you, thank you. Looks like we have some pretty big surf, but it's windy as hell. Looks like all blown out. Looks good, thank you. Saintly Spot, thank you. Saintly Spot, where you been? Are you okay? Everything good with you? It feels like I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you, Saintly Spot. How are you? Let me get to the shade so I can read. Oh, okay, just laying low. Okay, sounds good. You want Japan to win? Okay, right on. Does this area, what? Does this area in which you're in right now accept Section 8 for the beach? No. No, we don't. Saintly Spot, what's going on? This is in California. Yes, we are. Huntington Beach, California, guys. Right now, we're north side of the pier. Welcome in, everybody. If you guys are in here, everybody share the live. Share my highlights, please. Thank you. Hello, Dino. I went to the zoo and had a great time. Right on. What's going on? What beach? Huntington Beach, California. That's right, baby. We got a good crowd out here today. I'll zoom in over here for you for a couple seconds. Here. Where is everybody from, guys? Just chime in. I'm from Huntington Beach, California. Where are you guys from? Let's go. I'll read it off. I'll read it off. Okay, we got sorry in Toronto. Is it dangerous? Sometimes, Nicholas. Terry in Texas. Patrick Riverside. Prague. David. Nicholas. Paris. So we got some international people in there. That's good. We got Tijuana, Mexico. Rocky. Right on, Nicholas. Flowers is in here. Hello, Flowers. Thank you for the heart me. Croatia. Marina. Super. What's up, Grazi? How you doing? And Nicholas, you're strong. Let's go. Mr. Worldwide. Let's go. Saintly Spot. SSK. Mercy. Mary, how you doing? Welcome in. Tap that screen. Let's go. Share that live. I'm almost 5 minutes out in Whittier. Are you going to come out and visit? Oh. Hey there, Flowers. How you doing, Flowers? Flowers is in Mexico, living her best life right now. Hope you're having fun, Flowers. Guyana's in here. Guyana's in here. Who else is in here? We got Guyana, we got Czechoslovakia, we have France. Thank you. Right on. We got Celia Rio in here. Thank you, guys. Flowers, thank you, Flowers. We got Flowers in here, guys. Celia, good to see you. Honey Badger's in here. Mom of twin girls, how are you? Oki's in here. Oki, I follow you, bro. Right on, Nicholas. Thank you, I appreciate you. Right on, Saintly Spot, thanks to the poplars. Beautiful Sunday in HB, yes it is, Justin. Where is this at? Huntington Beach, California. South side of the pier. Mom, thank you, Celia. It looks beautiful, it is beautiful. It is a nice day, guys. Beautiful, it is a nice day, guys. Me and Jax are about to head down to Main Street. Okay, cool. Let me know where you're at. I'll come say hi afterwards. Thank you, Saintly Spot, for the poplars. Thank you. Thank you for the Go Pops. Arizona White Trash Circus, I see you in here. SoCal Mom, hello. Terry, Busan, Korean man, how are you? Woo, only 2 weeks to go. What up, buddy? Bro, chilling, man. I'll see you in 2 weeks, man. It's gonna be fucking crazy. It's gonna be nuts. I think I'm going to Mazatlan in a few. Hell yes. Enjoy. I wish I was there. I'm kind of jealous. I'm low-key jealous. Julia, how are you? When is New York? After 4th of July, so after the 11th. I got to go to New Mexico first. Yeah, I have to go to New Mexico first, and then I'm going to do New York afterwards. Can someone look up the San Gennaro Fest in Little Italy for me? What are the dates of that? I might go then. Look up San Gennaro Fest, somebody in here, please. And let me know the dates, please.